Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are working on my brother's Z3 BMW. It's got slow sticky windows and we're going to take them apart, clean those up and get them working properly again. Stick around. Okay, so we popped off the little cap here. Usually you have a little switch. I think it's for your mirror, obviously on that side. This side doesn't have one, but you take it off. There's a little screw inside. Get that out. We popped off the cover around the opener, the handle, and started working our way all along the bottom, popping out all the clips. And now we're going to leave it. We don't really want to take it off the top trim, because it's going to be a bit of a pain getting it back on. So we're going to keep it like this and try and see if we can work from underneath to get to those window runners and get them clean. Okay, so it seems like we've fixed the problem. It seems to be going up and down a lot more smoothly. There's some mechanisms and tracks that run inside. We've lubed them all, and then there's two ones that hold the bottom of the window itself, and as it slides up and down in a kind of a channel. And I think that was the main problem. Got some lube up in there, got it nice and smooth. So now we're going to put it back together same way we took it apart. Jump to the other side, do the same thing. We're not going to show you that because it's the exact same procedure, and then it should all be sorted. Okay, so we're done. Just finished up the driver's side door as well. So let's just push the button over here and see what it does. Nicely done. It was sticking really badly going down, more than it was going up, but that seems to have resolved the issue. It's lubing up those pivot points, the hinges and so on, and the sliders and the rails. All done. Happy days. So there it is, guys. We are done. I hope you liked that little fix we did on the Z3. If you have that same issue and you've got a Z3, now you know what to do. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and then we will see you on the next one. See ya.